pretty shiny. Camera. There we go. I mean, if you see my reviews on other Spider-Man figures, not really the same, it's just webs and this. What the hell? But there might be something you might be curious about. How does this compare to this guy? Let's figure out. I'm not sure this is me, but maybe I think the head of this one made it a bit taller. Unless like Tom somehow grew taller in the movie and I missed that out. But they're pretty much the same figure. So, but this one's more accurate than the Marvel Legends because, you know, it has the shininess on there. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. And can't wait to see this suit in like future Marvel movies. But another thing I'm curious about is, can this fit on this? Let's try that out. Let's use this one for a second. More of truth. It can. I guess it can. So, yeah. This is the new MCU Spider-Man, guys. Damn, phone focus. So, yeah. I'm curious if we can get the neck piece onto this Spider-Man. I'm not sure if we can. Let's... Wait, hang on, let me try and... I don't think I can get the neck piece off, but I think the head can fit on this one. So, yeah. So, yeah, let me just... I'm not gonna do check out the hands, because if you've seen other Spider-Man reviews, you're pretty much getting the same thing. Hands, web, so not really the same, so there's no need to like get all those and like pose them around a bit. But yeah, it's a pretty cool figure nonetheless. Bit of a short review, but you know, I've reviewed a lot of these Spider-Man Figuarts by now, so you should know what you're getting. Just webs, hands, and the head, and some accessories. So, yeah. Actually, you know what? Screw it. I'll do a web pose, because, you know, it's called the final swing suit, or it's a red and blue suit, or you call it the final swing one. Whoops. Oh, it's Daisy. I'll fix that later. Sorry for the focus, for the damn camera.